Hey everyone, welcome back to the AT4 Overland channel. I want to give a huge shout out to F&F Specialty Vehicles in Portland. They recently had my vehicle for a day and a half. They were installing my Auxbeam switch panel that I got a few months back, and they wired all my existing lights to that switch panel. Along with that, they also installed my brand new Xprite chase bar. So I want to again thank them very much. Work they did was amazing. Everything came out great. Everything works great. And I'm going to highlight everything in this video. So yeah, sit back and enjoy.